Fresh evidence links Wicknell Chivayo to Mnangagwa amid front allegations. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Harare, new evidence has emerged contradicting President Emerson Mnangagwa's repeated denials of links with controversial businessman Wicknell Chivayo, with documents showing Chivayo traveling as part of the president's official entourage in China. The revelation, supported by a video circulating on social media, portrays Chivayo as a government staff member accompanying the head of state, raising fresh questions over his role in state affairs. This comes on top of the red diplomatic passport that Chivayo himself flaunted on Instagram months earlier, which had already sparked speculation about his unusually close access to state privileges. Analysts say the development makes it increasingly difficult for authorities to sustain the narrative that Chivayo is merely a private businessman. How do you deny this evidence that you are President Mnangagwa's front? Mr. Sir Wicknell, critics questioned online, with some activists demanding official clarification. Watch video here, Facebook link. Government and Chivayo's denials. Both State House and Chivayo have previously dismissed suggestions that he acts as a front for Mnangagwa. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba has often maintained that Chivayo's business activities have nothing to do with the office of the president. Chivayo himself has insisted that his philanthropy and flamboyant lifestyle are funded solely from his private ventures, and not through government connections. He has branded critics as haters, trying to tarnish his name and discredit the president. Escalating scrutiny. The latest revelations, however, are expected to intensify scrutiny of the businessman's role in state-linked projects, including power contracts and other multi-million-dollar tenders. Opposition voices argue the new evidence shows a deliberate attempt to mask Chivayo's deep entanglement with the state.